Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear audience. Welcome to today's video. Dear fellows, all of you know that plants are living things and all living things need food for their survival. We have never offered any food to the plants, bread, pizza or burger. Then how plants survive? What is the process by which plants make their food? So, our question of discussion for today is how do plants make food and what is this process called? All the plants have green leaves and these green leaves are kitchen of the plant. Green leaves have special chemical called chlorophyll that help the plants to make their food, and this process is called photosynthesis by which plants make their food. As we need special things to cook our food, in the same way, plants also need special things to make their food. These special materials are sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll present in the leaf. And special temperature is also required. Good quality of soil is also required for this process. And step by step, by using these things, plants make their food. During this process, first step is absorption of water by the roots. We give water to the plant and root absorb this water. This water travel to the leaf through stem, and special cell that takes water upside are called xylem. Root absorb this water and helps in the process of photosynthesis. Root take this water to the leaves of the plant. Second step is carbon dioxide enter in the leaves. Leaves have special opening called stomata that helps in the exchange of gases. Carbon dioxide enter in the leaves through stomata. These stomata also help to remove water and oxygen during photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide reaches to the leaves and photosynthesis begins. Next step is sunlight also reach to the leaf. Sunlight gives necessary energy for the process of photosynthesis, and sunlight energy is converted into chemical energy in this process. So, sunlight, water and carbon dioxide combine together in the presence of chlorophyll. All these things combine and it is converted into chemical energy, and that energy is called food, and it is sugar in this case. In whole process, oxygen is also released as a byproduct. Oxygen released through stomata into the environment. Carbon dioxide is absorbed during photosynthesis, but oxygen is evolved and it released into the atmosphere, and this is the oxygen that is used during respiration by all living things. Animals, human beings and even plants use this oxygen. If we write word equation for photosynthesis, then we can say that carbon dioxide and water combine together in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight and give glucose and oxygen as a byproduct. Glucose is the food of plant that is used by plant for its activities, and oxygen is the byproduct that is released into the atmosphere. So we get this type of equation. Carbon dioxide plus water give us glucose plus oxygen. Sunlight and chlorophyll are necessary during this process. Now the question arises, why photosynthesis is important? This process is very much important. Without this process, balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide cannot be maintained. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is used and oxygen is released, and all the living things breathe through this oxygen. So, the process of photosynthesis helps us to breathe, to take in fresh air. Without this process, oxygen cannot be produced and carbon dioxide cannot be used. Let's have a quick revision of the whole process. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide and they make their food and release oxygen for all other living things. So, the process by which plants make their food by using carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Now, you have learned how plants make their food and how they maintain the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen and maintain the nature in a true sense. So, the process of photosynthesis is very important for the survival of this planet. Nature is truly amazing and it has maintained the beautiful balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen. I hope you have understand the topic of photosynthesis and now the process how plants make their food. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more science videos. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Up till next video.